Let's take this question. I think this question is from NEET 2020 paper. So what is happening here? There are two bodies of mass. One is of mass 4 kg and another is of mass 6 kg. And they are tied to the ends of massless string. And this string passes over a pulley which is frictionless. So we have to take all these conditions, kind of ideal conditions. The acceleration of the system in terms of acceleration due to gravity, this thing we have to find. So let's take the tension in the string to be T, and here the tension T. Okay, first, what are the forces acting on these masses or the system? So one force, that is weight, and if we are writing in terms of G, we can write only 4 times G. So one force on 4 kg body is acting downward, which is 4G, and the similar force on this 6 kg body is acting on this is 6G. So we have F equals to mass into acceleration, and for gravitational force, this will be mass into acceleration due to gravity. Now, by observation, we can say that this system should accelerate in such a way that this 4 kg body will go upward and this 6 kg body will go downward. And if this string is inextensible, these two acceleration should be same. So let us write equation for second law of motion separately for these two bodies. So in case of first body, let's say this 4 kg body is first body and this one is, let's say, second body. So in case of first body, the net force on this body should be equal to 4 times acceleration. F equals to ma, 4 times acceleration. And if we observe carefully, this net force is nothing but P minus 4D. One force tension is acting upward and another force which is weight acting downward, and this is net force, and this should be equal to 4A. That is mass of the mass of the system into acceleration. Let's say this equation is equation A. Now, for the 6 kg body, second body, net force on this body is 6G minus this tension. So 6G minus this tension, and this net force should be mass of this body into acceleration. So this should be 6 into A. Let's take this to be equation B. Now we can obtain this acceleration A in terms of G just by adding these two equations. If we add A and B, we will get here T minus 4G plus 6G minus T equals to 4A plus 6A. We are adding LHS of this equation with LHS of this equation, and we are adding RHS of this equation with RHS of this equation. So finally, we are going to get this T and minus T will result to 0, and then we have here 2G equals to 10A, and then A equals to 2 by 10 times G, or simply A equals to 1 by 5 times G. So this is acceleration of this system in terms of acceleration due to gravity. Okay. After this, we are going to start our new topic for discussion, and that will be unit and measurement. That is first topic. So see you.